So, we kind of waited a little bit too long, and we're kind of caught with our pants off right now. We just got about 3 inches of snow today. A lot of this good stuff. It's nice and fluffy. But the problem is, the ROPS, I put on some lights, but the wires are still exposed, so I need to put some flex tubing on today just to protect those wires, and then that way we can have lights and it's safe to operate. The other problem that we've got today is the fact that I still have the bucket on and not the snow blades, so I'm going to have to put that on later today and give the driveway a plow. And then finally, the third problem is I'm sick. I've got a bad cold, and it's not making anything easier, so let's see what happens today. Let's go. So with Kubotas, this is the L3901, there's actually a little electrical work port that you could plug into, and it does take these little terminals, and all you gotta do is plug them in. The black and yellow line is positive and the yellow line is negative, so you just got to make sure your terminals are in the right puller. And I've got this bundle here and I've zip tied it to the frame. I tried not to drill into the tractor if I don't have to, and now I just have to follow the wire along from here all the way up to the ROPS to my front lamp and the 2 back lamps. I used a wooden frame to install everything so that I didn't have to drill into the ROPS, because that would void my warranty. It doesn't look the greatest. I might paint it black just to match the color of the ROPS in the future, so it looks a little tidier. So this conduit is 1/2 inch wide and 50 feet long. It does split in the middle, so it makes it easier to wrap over the wires. Alright, so the plow is on. We just need to tighten these bolts here where this blade is, and then it'll be ready for plowing. So in case anyone wants to know, this is 19 millimeters.